when I share this story kasi it happened, the signing under GMA Playlist and Together With Me happened even before Unang Hirit came to life, in my life. So back in 2022 when we had this signing together with other artists alongside with Brianna and Mitzi as well and other artists from GMA, doon nagkaroon ng signing and also auditions to be part of GMA Playlist, and I was one of those lucky people na nabigyan ng tsansa na makapag-release ng single under GMA Playlist label. And here we are. I've been saying this in the past interviews po since the day we've released the single Infatuation. It's been 2 years in the making and now it's out. And you get to hear it na po sa mga streaming platforms.
So kami, bakit natagalan? Nauna ka palang pumirma sa singer. Bakit ngayon ka lang
They have a calendar that they were following po, and then yun po yung timing nung bawat release po for every artist. We're about, I guess, 15 artists in their roster, and syempre priority ang yung mga may current shows that time, and then come us next na mga newbie sa industriya. And but at the end of the day, I'm just really grateful na isa ako sa nabigyan nila ng opportunity to sing.
So kalay ngayon tatlong path ang tinatahak mo as a singer, as a host, and as a teleserye actor. Alin ang pinakagusto mong may marating?
Well, actually, mataas ang pangarap natin, so sinusubo ko lahat. I'm exploring every single thing that I can while I'm in this industry kasi who knows kung hanggang kailan lang naman ako sa industriya nito. I'm isa ko sa mga pinakabago din. I'm just a pandemic artist. And as much as I can do in this little time, ginagawa ko. Pero if you were to ask me po kung saan ako may gusto marating, even before joining the industry, sinasabi ko sa mga tao, my first love is singing. Kahit hindi pa niya ako ganun kamahal, but it's been my first love ever since. At sinasabi ko rin na ang dream ko talaga maging recording artist. So, me releasing this first ever single with GMA Playlist is already an achievement for me. And ang measure ko ng success is wala naman sa numbers, kundi sa satisfaction na nararamdaman ko as an individual. And I guess I'm already successful.